Yo, mi gente, this your boy Ariel 51. We at my studio, and we going in. So that's basically it. Shout out to my niggas Bang Music. Shout out to my niggas FR Flow Records. You know what it is. We making hits. My nigga Mikey G in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? We doing big things. We coming soon. So just stay tuned. The difference. Just be on the lookout for the difference. Cause me and my nigga Mikey G, we got a little partnership going on. You know, making this music.
That's what we doing. That's what we doing.
So we'll play this track for y'all. Me and my nigga Mikey G, we working on right now. This project right here. You know, it's not done yet, but when it's done, y'all are gonna love it. So pretty much, we're doing our thing right now. Shout out to everybody on that grind. Keep doing your thing. Never give up. Even when shit looks so bad, never give up.
Area 51, como lo conocen como FL. Dele, dele. Algo nuevo.
Thank you.